guys, July 1st, 2021. This one I got a call from somebody that I know. They got a problem with an outside faucet. He says when he turns it on, it pisses out the vacuum port. So that means it told me it went through a freeze, and there's a little gasket in there that's probably... I probably left the hoses on last year and went through a freeze. And so we'll go by there. I'm not that far from here. We'll pop in and see this cat. See if we can fix it. Pop in, knock on the door. I'm right down the road, so yeah, it's coming right out the top. We could fix that. There's a special kit for that. I got my stuff. Yeah, see the washer coming out?
Oh yeah.
So it went through a freeze. You gotta take this hose. You gotta take this hose off when it gets cooler. Starts to get cold out, right?
Right.
I might even have another one in there, so I used one for you. It's just a washer, see it?
Mm-hmm.
And it's a special soft one. So it went through a freeze. So let me see how many. I can find the used one. What I do is when I get a lot of these. I get a lot of these coming out of the. It might work. We'll try it. It's just a vacuum breaker, you know.
Mm-hmm.
When you turn it on, it just comes up and shuts off. Just a gasket. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
See how it drops. Watch. All right.
Good as.
I'll give you the old parts, no charge. See, I save all these from
Yeah, it's a good idea.
when I do like a demo on all these faucets and shit. I save all the parts. Just save all the parts when I do a demo. I'll take all the stuff to the scrapyard. I save all the used parts.
Good idea.
It's just a washer. You can't. It's a soft washer.